Navien Tankless water heaters include a crucial safety feature called temperature lock. This system is designed to prevent scalding by limiting the maximum hot water temperature output. This safety feature is especially important in homes with young children or elderly individuals who are more vulnerable to accidental burns from hot water. The default temperature setting on Navien water heaters is typically 120 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it's recommended to set water heaters between 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal performance. The temperature lock ensures that water never exceeds a safe level, preventing accidental burns. On newer models like the NPE 240A2, this feature can be controlled using DIP switches on the circuit board. DIP switches are small electronic switches that can be set to on or off positions to enable or disable specific functions. For temperature lock, DP Switch 2 controls this safety feature on newer models. Some older Navien models use DIP Switch 7 to lock the temperature setting instead of Switch 2. Always consult your specific model's manual for the exact DIP switch configuration, as this can vary between different models. Understanding your Navien's temperature lock feature is essential for maintaining safe hot water temperatures in your home. This simple but effective safety mechanism provides peace of mind and protection against accidental scalding. To adjust the temperature on your Navien Tankless water heater, you'll primarily use the control panel located on the front of the unit. The control panel features various buttons and a digital display. You can navigate through settings using the directional buttons and confirm changes with the Select button. Many Navien models offer Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control your water heater remotely using a smartphone or tablet application. The EasyNav control panel offers advanced scheduling features including always-on mode, weekly scheduling, and intelligent recirculation that learns your hot water usage patterns. It's important to check your temperature settings periodically to ensure they remain appropriate for your household's needs and safety requirements. For optimal energy efficiency, set your room thermostat to the lowest comfortable temperature, typically between 18 and 21 degrees Celsius, or 64 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. By combining the temperature lock feature with smart scheduling and proper thermostat settings, you can optimize both safety and energy efficiency in your Navien Tankless water heater system.